manger ou quitter manger l'ambiance. Allez, score ou mettre n'importe brillant. Chérie, manger banane.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roxley and I am back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also, make sure you're hitting that bell button so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today you guys, I'm going to be showing you this wig review on this hair that was sent to me from Sensationnel.com. Y'all already know, they be looking out for your girl. They are so consistent and like working with me. Like, I truly do appreciate them. So big ups to Sensationnel. All right, so they were kind enough to go ahead and send me this unit right here. It is the Carina style wig. I have it in the color 1B. The style shown on the model is a T1B / silver gray. It is by Sensational. It is pre-styled, 100% premium fiber. So I think it has a mixture of synthetic and human hair. Not quite sure. And then this is the fringe frame, whatever that means. Face flattering fringes. So I think that has to do with the curls. I'm just not sure. So here's what the unit looks like. I just took her out of the packaging. So she already comes styled for you as far as like this part. It's already tied for you, so you don't even have to take that out. And I'm not gonna take it out because I want to show you guys what it looks like, and you know, that's the style of the unit. So this part did kind of confuse me. It comes with a lace. The reason why that confuses me, I just didn't think that I would have to cut any lace with this unit, being that it had bangs and such. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace and then we'll jump into the review. But really quick, so it is a 4x4 parting space. You have 2 clips in the front. You have your 1 clip in the back with your adjustable straps. So, and this is what she's looking like, and this is what the front is looking like. As you can see, she's already like somewhat parted for you. All right, I'm really happy that it's already tied and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. Like I said, I'm not gonna glue this down, honestly. I just don't see a point in gluing it down or whatever. So gonna cut it down and then we're gonna put it on, and then you guys let me know what you think about this unit afterwards. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy.
You say you love me, but you never left for me. Yeah. Ooh, all we do is make up and break up. Why don't we wake up and see it? It's that remix to ignition. I'm fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every minute you wishing. We sipping, I go and run. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm thinking you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. But you don't have to call. No, it's okay, girl, cause I'ma be alright tonight. I'm lost without you, I can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, babe? And I only met this girl on Monday, took her for a drink on Tuesday. We were making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, and chilled on Sunday. But if you're on there, let's do it. Ride it, my pony, yo. I don't know your name, but it's you been missing. I wanna
Alright you guys, so this is the final look right here. Definitely let me know what you guys think. I am personally not a big fan of this unit at all whatsoever. I don't know how to, like, it just doesn't do it for me. For me, it's too much. The curls are too stringy. Like, I don't really like how it looks. Like, it just looks really cheap in my opinion. I don't like the construction of the unit either. Like, where they had this at, it's kind of crooked. So like when you put it on, mine was at least, it was kind of crooked. So my bang looked funny also. And then the bangles were a little bit too long for me. That's not like a huge issue. You can always, cut the bangs or whatever and make them to your liking. But for me, it was entirely too long. However, the bangs, it was just really crooked looking. Like, I wasn't expecting it to look like that, if that makes any sense. I was trying to go ahead and remove this to kind of, but I don't know how to, or if there's something I didn't want to like mess it up entirely, but yeah, I didn't want to keep jacking it up, so I didn't even try. I was trying to take it all down. I could have sworn I seen somebody else with it, with, you know, while I looked all down or whatever. I'm just really glad that I didn't get this in a different color, because if it was in a different color, like, I don't know how I would have been able to play this off right now. So the black doesn't make it look as bad, but you can see like the sides. I didn't even bother to like do much of anything to the sides or anything like that. So like, it's just my stocking cap. I got on a black stocking cap today, and I just had to keep pulling it like so. And then I tried to cover it up like with the side of the bang like that. But yeah, y'all, I mean, I'm not a fan. Like, I don't know if you guys can even see this, but it's like way over here, this part. So I'm not a fan. I'm not like crazy about it, and the wig looks really stringy. I'm just not crazy about it. Like, it has been a very long time since I ran across a wig that I just was not a fan of. You know what I mean? Like, at all whatsoever. Like, I just don't like the style. I don't like how it looks. It feels really stringy and it looks really weird. I don't know. Maybe it's how I styled it. You know, I don't know. But in my opinion, yeah. Not a fan of this from Sensationnel at all. I think that just they could have did a little bit of better job as far as like with the bangs and then the part, you know, and so forth. I didn't see that it came with any baby hairs, so I didn't even create any baby hairs or pull mines out or anything like that. So this is the final look right here, y'all. Like, this is what we're working with. I feel crazy. I feel so crazy right now. Like, I wish I could just move this right here just to make it look a little bit more even. But yeah, this is not for me. This is not my look. I even try to like bring it all to the side like this. I mean, it is giving me like Selena vibes, like beady beady bum bum, you know. Like, that's the type of vibes that it's giving me right now. But just, I think I chopped up the bangs too much anyways. But yeah, you guys, that is all that I have for you guys for this review. I will be back with another video pretty soon, so please definitely stay tuned. I do have really another unit from Ft.Samsbeauty that I'm actually going to be doing pretty soon, and I'm really excited about that one, so please definitely stay tuned for that one. I have a feeling that one's gonna be really cute. So yeah, y'all. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please definitely stay tuned, because I'll be back with more videos pretty soon, and don't forget to hit that subscribe and that bell button so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.